It's not every day you see a Gotham SWAT car driving by the River Clyde, or some of Gotham's police cars following behind it. They're heading towards the set in the centre of Glasgow. Let's check it out. Over on the active set, technical rehearsals are officially in full swing. The production team was carrying out practice lineup tests using a large overhead camera mounted high on a mobile arm, dialing in sweeping high-angle shots down the street before the night shoot begins. Bothwell Street is now partially blocked off to traffic, and the art department has been working hard dressing the area. The fictional Lacy storefront is looking far more complete and established, with Christmas decorations and fine crockery. In DC lore, Lacy's acts as Gotham's luxury flagship department store, a clear nod to real-world Macy's. And the street has been decorated with props such as trash bags, garbage bins, and fire hydrants, along with road signs and American flags. With the crew working hard to get things ready, we can only hope that we'll see some Batman action soon. With traffic lights being set up, the roads blocked off, and the snowbags waiting to be scattered, Glasgow's transformation into Gotham is nearly complete.